would like to invite you all to hold your wine glasses with you guys and pour in some water, juice, or drinks that you have on your table. And let's invite Matt, the best man, to lead the toast. But before giving or leading the toast, ladies and gentlemen, he will be delivering some sort of like a message to our newlywed couple.
Lalasingin ni Matmat dito.
Hello. Good evening to everyone.
Go, Matt. Kung ano ang mo na patsagan.
Daruwa nga ba? Wala man ako't mahambal dahil may mga buhat sa sanday. Mananadaan ano kaya? Tama kag bakit. Basta wala ninyo ang mayat. Wala ninyo ang mayat. Maturulat lahi, para turut ang butante. Wala.
Good message.
May I invite everyone to raise their glass. To have a toast
Plastic sa akin.
for the newly wedding couple.
Ladies and gentlemen, let's hold our glasses together for Hector and Jade for long and happy and productive life in the future. Cheers for Hector and Teresa Jade.
Cheers,
Alright,
cheers,
bottoms up,
buddy.
bottoms up.
Cheers.
Yeah. Go, 1, 2, 3, go. Oops. I am hearing some banging and banging on